conversations I have with myself, a lot in here that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet cause it's all I know. Oh, push away but it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have.
Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to create this soft, romantic, girly, so feminine and so ready for Valentine's Day makeup look. I know that I said in my last video that makeup look was soft, but no, trust me, this is even softer. So I really love a rose gold eyeshadow. I don't know, I feel like it's so feminine and so girly. Maybe it's just me, but that's how I feel about the rose gold eyeshadow. I do have a rose gold eyeshadow on my lids, as you can see, and also my face is so glowy. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. First I'm going to start with my skin, and I know that usually I do my eyes first and then I do my face makeup, but because in today's video I'm going to achieve a more soft makeup look, I'm going to start with the skin because I'm not going to use too many eyeshadows, so I can have like a lot of fallout or things like that. So that's why I'm starting with my skin, and I know that I'm talking way too much. Probably I should talk less and show you more. Probably I already said this in the intro, but I know that not everyone has time to do a half cut crease, a cut crease, halo eye makeup look, a very dramatic smoky eye. So that's why I'm doing this soft version. I already know that I do have something like this already on my channel, so if you want to check that out, I'm going to put it right here. So if you want to check that, I already did like a soft makeup Valentine's Day inspired makeup look or something like that. I know that I already did that, but today I'm going to make it even softest, is that a word? Anyway, so I'm going to make it more easy, if that makes sense. And let's do this because I feel like I've been talking, oh my god, for about 5 minutes. I already moisturized my face and I'm going to use 2 primers, and that's because I want to hide my lines. I don't have huge pores, but I'm going to use the minimize pores from Benefit. Oh my god, this is from Benefit. This is to blur out the pores and the lines. And then I'm going to use Fresh Light Priming Filter. This is from Becca. So as you can see, they are both tiny. First I'm going to go with this one. And I'm using 2 primers because I really want the skin to look glowy and fresh and radiant. And as you can see, we do have a new friend, and let's pretend that is not there. Next I'm going to take a little bit of this Becca primer. Probably that's a lot. Okay, for my foundation I'm going to use the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade Fiji. I'm going to shake this very well. I think that's enough.
Let it go. When it rains, let it pour.
I'm going to take my sponge and blend this.
When it rains, let it pour. Let it wash away. Let it.
To conceal, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Light 10.
Some nights feels good and I have to fight it. Lose a little self-control, even if
And as you can see, if I move my head, I do have a little bit of glow. That foundation looks a little bit glowy. Also, it's the primer that looks a little bit glowy, and I want to keep that. And next I'm going to set only my under eye, my forehead, because I do have a bunch of lines, and my smile lines. So I'm not going to set my entire face because, as I said, I want to keep that glow. And to set my under eye, I'm going to use the Hourglass veil powder. First I'm going to smooth.
when it rains, let it pour. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain.
And as you can see, my face is still glowy. Next I'm going to bronze, and I'm going to use the Hoola from Benefit. I really like this, but as I said previously, this is so pigmented. I have to be very careful to not apply too much. So I'm going to use an angle brush to contour my face. Contour, bronzer, whatever. Whatever works for you. Next I'm going to go with this baked bronzer from Milani just to add a little bit more of glow. And I'm taking a very fluffy brush. For blush I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics blush, classic blush palette. And I'm going to go with this color right here. And for highlight I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Precious Petals because this is so gorgeous. This blends so easy and so nice. Makes my skin look wet. I really like it. And I feel like that stroke of blinding highlight is so 2017 now, so I think I'm ready to move on. I mean, I'm still going to use my blinding highlights, but I feel like this is the trend now, like a soft highlight, very blended into the skin, that makes the skin look wet. Am I right? Alright, so I just attempted to contour my nose, as you can see. Also I applied a little bit of this face spray to melt all the powders. Next I'm going to do the eyes, and I'm going to use the Carli Bybel Deluxe edition palette, and I'm going to use this gorgeous eyeshadow. I know I used this so many times already on my channel, but I really think this is a very soft, romantic rose gold eyeshadow. I don't think that makes sense, but I feel like this is so girly and soft and, as I said, romantic, so I'm going to use this, but I think I'm going to start with this in my crease. I'm going to use a fluffy brush, and as you can see I didn't set my base. I don't know, lately I kinda like to use a sticky base, so I'm going to take this eyeshadow and apply it in my crease.
Let it wash away, let it wash away, let it wash away, let it wash away.
And next I think I'm going to go with a little bit of this shadow. So I'm going to take this on a smaller brush. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to try to define a little bit the crease. A very soft defined crease. What is that? Next I'm going to take a flat brush, but it's more like a dense flat brush, and I'm going to wet my brush. And then I'm going to go with this gorgeous eyeshadow. And as I said, I'm not going to do a cut crease. I'm just going to apply this on my lid. You can be very messy with this. You can be very creative actually. Wow, that's absolutely gorgeous. I think I applied too much, like right here in this spot. If you let it dry, this blends so nice, but because it's wet, it goes a little bit chunky, if that makes sense. But they are so blendable, trust me. You just have to let it dry. Gorgeous. Next I'm going to take the smaller brush and I'm going to blend a little bit, even though it doesn't need to be blended. And because this is not enough for me, I really want to add a little bit of sparkle on top, and I'm going to use the Anastasia and Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit. And wow, this is so messy. I think I'm going to go with this pink or gold on top, just to add a little bit of sparkle. I don't know which one. I think I'm going to go with the gold one. This is the Glow Getter, and I'm going to apply this actually with my finger. Wow, that's stunning. Okay, let's see. Can you see that? And I'm not trying to be precise. Oh my god, I can't believe how gorgeous that is. I think I'm going to take a little bit more of this eyeshadow right here and apply it in my outer corner, just a little bit.
Conversations I have with myself, hit that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet.
Okay, to highlight my brow bone, I think I'm going to go with the Wet n Wild highlight.
Emotions I have in and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it.
And on my lower lash line, I'm going to use a liner. I know I said I want this to be very soft and girly, but I really want to give it like a pop of color. And I'm going to use the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner. This is in the shade Piggy Bank. But I'm going to blend this with a lighter shade, so I think this will work. I don't know exactly, I haven't tried this before. So I'm going to go with this liner in my waterline. I'm going to apply this a little bit below, like where my lashes are. And with a very small brush, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to blend that out. I got eyeshadow in my eye. Okay, so as you can see, the liner is not that intense now. And because I'm going to apply lashes with thick band, I'm going to use the labial lashes in the style Kyoto. I know that I use them all the time, but I really like them. So because I'm going to use lashes with very thick band, I'm going to line my lash line. I'm not going to do a wing liner. I'm just going to do a very thin line because I want to hide that thick band from the lashes. Make sense? Hope so. As you can see, I applied a little bit of mascara and also I applied the lash glue. I really like the duo lash glue. This is so good.
'Cause I don't like holding on to all of these feelings.
To highlight my inner corners, I'm going to use again Glow Getter. Maybe a little bit of lid, Forever lid. I forgot to mention that you can totally skip the lashes if you have long and fluffy and beautiful lashes. I just want you to know that I'm jealous of you, but I don't have long, fluffy, beautiful lashes. So yeah, I feel like the lashes complete the look. That makes sense. So that's why I like to go with lashes, because my lashes are kind of shady. And yeah, okay, I think I'm done with my eyes. I'm going to do my lips, and actually I'm not going to use a lipstick today. I'm going to use this Essence lip liner. This is in the shade Nude Coral, and I'm going to use this as my lipstick.
In the storm, no conversations I have with myself. A lot in here that I'm dying to tell.
Right on top of that, I'm going to go with the I Love Sarai in ColourPop. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Atolle. Alright, so I guess this is the final look. I really love how this turned out. I feel like it's so feminine and girly and glowy and so easy to achieve. As you saw, I did use 3 eyeshadows on my eyes, also a highlight. The liner in my waterline is totally up to you. Also the lashes, you can totally be creative, as I always say here on my channel. So yeah, I guess this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Valentine's Day. I know it's a little bit too early, but if you're watching this video on Valentine's Day, I wish you a very beautiful and sunny day, and enjoy the day with your significant other, and stay safe. So yeah, I guess that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. And as you can see, this is so soft. Wow, I'm impressed by my skills. I already prime. What? Next, I'm going to take a very small brush. I know that not many what? Well, have a very nice romantic day. Soft rose gold makeup. Wow, I'm so bad at doing this.